If you're at a smaller school, you feel like, dang, we're not getting no shine. Nobody's gonna pay. I don't know how I'm gonna get to law school. I haven't really seen a lot of people from my institution go on and do the kinds of things that I want to do. You absolutely can do it. You absolutely can do it. You may have this notion of what success is gonna look like for you, but it's not always a straight shot. The path that I've had has been twists and turns along the way. So if you're feeling in this moment like maybe it's just a little crooked right now, that doesn't mean that you won't end up exactly where you need to be. The shutout rate for African American students trying to get into law school is higher than any other group of people. And the reason why is that LSAT. It's that test, y'all. It is. I mean, there are other things too, don't get me wrong. But I would submit to you that that should be the primary focus of your preparation. You gotta get a good recipe. You gotta make sure that you follow it. Here's the good news. Y'all already got the recipe, right? Just by being here. You are so blessed to be here, to get the information that you receive. Focus on the main things that are gonna help you make the cake. And my challenge to you is like to go and bake it. You got the recipe, you got the ingredients. Make sure you have some good ingredients and go out and do it. There are too many people who have invested, too many people who have sacrificed for you just to be even in these seats. But to sacrifice for you to be able to go on and pursue this dream. We need you. Somebody's waiting on you to get this law degree. Somebody's waiting on you to be able to offer them culturally relevant representation. We need y'all. Please leave here and follow the recipe. Go make your cake. It's gonna be good too.